Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Barrina is a respected name in plant lighting and displays, so when they offered me one of their adjustable height T10 standing grow lights, complete with a timer, in exchange for my honest review, I was happy to accept. So today I'd like to share my thoughts on the Barrina standing grow light with you. Upon opening the box, I noticed that there weren't a lot of parts, which meant that this should be pretty straightforward, and it definitely was. Everything was nicely packaged. It came with an instruction booklet that contained illustrations as well as text. Now, this light can be assembled so that it is between 4 feet and 5.6 feet. And it all depends on if you want to use one of these poles or both. I chose to use both so that I could have the full 5.6 feet. Then it was just as simple as screwing the poles into the base. And one thing I am noticing is it has some nice weight to it at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about this tipping over, although it does have some height to it. So then I just took the grow light itself and screwed it into the base. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a standing grow light, and it is a nice height with lots of full spectrum LEDs. These clips, there's some zip ties and clips in case you want to attach it to some shelving. You don't have to use it in the upright position. And this is actually a foot control so that you can step on it and turn it on and off. The booklet contains full instructions for the timer, which made getting this started very easy. It was just a matter of making sure all the tabs were up, and that is the times that you don't want the light to come on. And then you just go through, push down the tabs between the hours that you would like the light to come on. So this was pretty simple. Orange that you see there represents the hours that I'm going to have the light on. Then you just turn the dial to the current time. And next I'll slide the tab on the side of the timer to the clock, and now the timer is ready. And it's ready to be plugged in. So you plug the light directly into the timer, and then you plug the timer into the wall. Pretty straightforward. And since I'll be using the timer, I won't need to use the little foot button. There is so much that I like about this T10 grow light. It has a low profile. It allows my plants to be the center of attention. I like that it does have some height options. So if you have a really tall plant, you can have the light fully distributed on your entire plant rather than just at the top or the bottom. I love that. And the fact that it comes with a timer so you don't have to go out and purchase anything. Just a really solid light, and look at it. It just looks very nice. If you don't look really hard, you don't even notice that the lamp itself is there. You just see the light. If you would like more information on this grow light or on some of the others that Barrina has to offer, there is a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Barrina, for yet another wonderful grow light. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay well, and I hope to see you next time.